Boy, do I have a good one for you guys today. So yes, it's been a minute, a very long minute, since I have done a video or been on here. But that's okay. I'm back, and I'm back with a great one. So you're wondering, what is this big old box? Well, this box is a Nordstrom Trunk Club very fun clothing box. So if you don't know what Nordstrom Trunk Club is, it's kind of like Stitch Fix, but better. So it's pretty much you go online or you download their app and you take the styling quiz. It does cost $25 per box for a styling fee, but that also gets credited towards any purchase that you make within the box. One way you can get around the $25 styling fee is if you have a Nordstrom credit card. But if you guys want to try, your first trunk is on me, plus you also get a $25 credit towards your box. So it's a $50 credit, $25 will go to the styling fee, and then $25 goes to you and whatever you want to keep in your box. So that is in the link below in my bio. So yeah, let's just dive right on in. First off, first impression, how freaking adorable is it? It's a huge ass box that looks like a trunk. I'm a girl who's all about packaging, and like, that's super cute. Okay, so let's dive on in. And if you do order one, you want to make sure that you keep the box because you will be shipping it back. Whatever you don't keep, you'll ship back in the box. And along with that is in here you're gonna find a detailed description of what you have in your box, and then just like little more instructions of like what you're supposed to do when you're done. And my stylist was Haley. Shout out to you, Haley. You're the best. And it gives you a return label, so shipping is completely taken care of. Let's get into it. So how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna unbox everything and show you it, and then I'm going to try it all on in the outfits that they gave. Sorry if you can hear that. There's some construction going on next door. It's very annoying, and it always happens at the most inconvenient time. But anyways, so let's dive right on in. First off, we have a gorgeous sweater. This one I'm pretty excited about. It's Free People, and so you know the quality is going to be great. And it's a mock neck and super cute little mock neck turtle, chunky, and I don't believe it's supposed to be cropped, but I think it's a high-low. Definitely a high-low, which will be super nice. Also, you're gonna see, I'm just gonna let him do his thing, except please don't do that, buddy. Please don't, come on. He just wants to be part of the vid. He's gonna be playing in these bags, so this is gonna be great. Love this, love him. All right. So back to the sweater. Free People, awesome. Side note, I did make a note that I would like outfits and items that are good for the holidays coming up. So I do have some sweater dresses in there. This sweater, now he's biting the box. I wish you guys could see this. Look. Oh, he got scared because I leaned over him. Anyways, okay. That's back where it's supposed to be. So next, we have, I think this one is the sweater dress. Both of the sweater dresses are black just because flattering, you know what I'm saying? We love a good flattering dress. This one I think I'm gonna really like. So it's kind of got like a ribbed kind of material and just like a straight crew neck, but the sleeves, they're a little like, not like a bell sleeve, but they're poofier than like just a normal dress. So super basic, but I really like it. And I also think it's super good to like use for, I don't know, like any other occasion you have going on. Not just the holidays. So I love pieces like that. I did request some jeans because I may or may not need some new jeans after being in quarantine for a little bit. So these ones are the high-rise Donna ankle skinny by Cut from the Cloth. I really like them, although I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty tall and ankle jeans kind of terrify me because if you're tall, you know someone somewhere once said, hey, when's the flood coming? So like this is just promoting that even more. But I do like how the bottom has like a raw hem. So that's super cute. So we'll see how those work. But blue jeans are always, we love those. And they feel stretchy, which I love even more. So okay, this one is the next sweater dress that I got. I'm gonna try and go through this pretty quickly because this is probably really boring to watch until I try it on. This one I'm not honestly really sure about. But we'll try it on, we'll give it a shot. This is another black one. I don't know if you can tell, so it's kind of like flowier. It's a fit and flare, little v-neck. It could be cute. The sleeves, I'm not sure if I like the sleeves. They're a little too like, frilly for me, if you know what I mean. And the bottom, can you tell? So it has like the stitching and everything going on. I don't know, it's really stretchy and it seems really comfortable. So we will definitely give it a try. So there's that sweater dress. The next one in here is the other pair of jeans. These ones are Levi's. I love Levi's. I think they're super comfy. They're just a plain mile-high skinny jean. Just plain black, which is super nice. Those go with everything. Okay. What is this one? I forgot what this one was. So also, to go along with it, you get to... So when you take your styling quiz, a stylist will pack you a trunk, and then you'll be able to review the first round, and you're able to take items out that you don't actually like and give them feedback of what you want repacked again. So then it will go into what is called the stylist review, and another stylist, a completely different one, so you get fresh eyes, which is super nice, I think. This is really soft. Will come in and then repack it for you with the suggestions that she gave. So it's kind of like, it's nice because you get it like a saying, you don't just get the first thing that's sent to you. This is really freaking soft. You know who like this? Milo. Who's not getting it? Milo. Who's not getting it? So this is just a cute little, it looks a little revealing, so I'm a little nervous because like family Thanksgiving is a little whatever. But could be super cute for like a day-to-day. It's the cute little material. I love how soft it is. You can definitely tell in the video how soft it is. So this one is Free People as well, I believe. Yes. So that's fun. All right, your girl got some masks because I'm just tired of wearing literally the same mask. So I got these ones. I did not know when I picked them out that they would say the things they say on them. I literally thought that it was just like the colors of it. So, you know what? Maybe they'll work for me. This could match my shirt right now. This one says good vibes. This one says, come on, focus on the yellow one, sunshine, which there's no sunshine anymore, so that's irrelevant. And then this one has little cute little peace signs on them. And then this one actually might be my favorite, has the little rainbows. And then it also comes with the same print as that with a cute little bag to put them in, which I find that really, really nice, so they don't get like dirty when you throw them around in your car like I know we all do. So you just throw them in a little bag. So I got those masks, which I'll probably definitely end up keeping just because I need some more. This one is, I forgot what this one was. Oh, right. This one, I know which one it is, I just can't find it on the sheet. Okay, this one's by Topshop. I'm not sure if I really like their stuff, to be honest, because I never knew if I could actually like fit into it appropriately, because it was always like I could never figure out my sizing. But maybe I will be able to figure out my sizing this time. But this one is really cute. It's a little more sheer than I thought it was gonna be, if we could be honest. But like, if you put on a black tank or even just like a black bralette, I think it could be super cute. So it's just like that print. I'm not really sure what print it is. If you know what print this is, I'd love to know. Is it a paisley? Because I'm not really a fan of a paisley, but I think this might be paisley. I'm not really sure. But it does have cute little frills on it, which I like frills. I think those are cute. So there's that one. That could look cute with the jeans. We'll give it a try. This one, you guys. So Spanx. I don't know if you guys have ever tried Spanx. I haven't tried Spanx, but I've seen great reviews on them. So I'm going to try them out. This Spanx Higher Power Short. Why did I get these? Am I gonna wear them every single day? You know what, maybe, I don't know. We all have that little lower tummy pooch that we'd like to cover up, especially if we're in a sweater dress and we're on Thanksgiving. We know what's gonna happen there. So we're gonna give these a try. I think they're gonna be okay, but we'll see. They go high rise and then they're like shorts. I'm not gonna show these on camera because I'm not ready for that, but I'll definitely tell you what I'm wearing it with so you can tell the difference. Maybe we'll do it before and after with the sweater dress. So I did get a pair of earrings. I have a problem with, maybe just because of my age, I have a problem with splurging on jewelry because I just don't find it really that necessary. I don't know why, but these are really cute. These are really cute. So it's just Madewell gold hoops. Just super simple, but like really cute. They do feel a little heavy though, but I don't know, they're really cute and they're probably gonna sucker me into it. This is where they get you, honestly. They let you try everything on, look at it for a little bit, Oh, by the way, you get pretty much a week to return it. So for example, I got this on November 12th and I have to return it on the 17th. So you could do the math. So 5 days. So there's those. I'm not sure about them yet, but you know what? We're gonna see. And then the fun part, I got 2 pairs of shoes. First ones are, so I got, I think they're brown and black, the shoes I got. So these ones are super cute. They're just like a little booty. They're waterproof suede, which we love that. Being here in good old Midwest, it could snow and then rain the next day. Just really basic little shoes. Super cute. They do have zippers on both of the sides. Love that. So we'll try those ones on. I like those. And then the last pair of shoes are the black ones. These ones were freaking cute when I saw them. And I think I suggested these. I don't remember if I did. So look at how cute they are. They're like a little combat boot with a heel. How can you say no to those? Super cute to like dress up or dress down, like with the dress or even with like jeans. So fun. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. Let's put these suckers on. So I am going to try on, I'll probably stick to 1 pair of jeans at the beginning and then I'm going to put on a bunch of different tops with it. And then we'll end it with sweater dresses. So here we go.
All right, this one I ended up liking at the end, but I was very confused when I first put it on because of the strings that are there. It was originally tied, so I ended up untying it because I thought it looked a lot more flattering. I am wearing the Levi's with them, and I love the Levi's, super slimming, makes my booty look great. I was very surprised of how sheer this top was. A little too much for family Thanksgiving, but super cute for a girls' night out or a date night. Okay, so this was the top that was super freaking soft, and I still stand for it. It is so soft when you put it on. It's like, I can't even explain how soft it is. Buttery soft. I was very confused when I first put it on because I didn't really understand if it was like off the shoulders, if I was supposed to have it up more. So I ended up putting my bra straps down just because I'll probably end up having to wear a strapless bra with it. But I still think it's really cute for girls' night out. It took me a while to get used to it. But yeah, definitely not something I'd probably wear to a family Thanksgiving just because, I don't know. But it's super cute and I really do love it. Super good fit. Now on to the Free People sweater. I love this one. I've been known to have a long neck, so I think turtlenecks and like mock necks look really good on me, especially if you have like a ponytail in. And here's me showing you that I am wearing the Spanx, and man, let me tell you, those things suck you in and slim you down so well, and you can't even see the lines on the jeans, which I'm obsessed with. Although it does kind of show it if you lift up the sweater and you can see your tummy a little bit. People can obviously tell that you're wearing it. But I love this sweater. It is super cute for the fall and definitely family approved, and I will for sure be keeping this one. And there's me just loving the sweater and dancing around. Well, as you just saw there, I'm not really a fan of this dress. Although it is super comfortable and the V-neck is really flattering, fit and flares have just never done it for me. I'm not a fan of like the flowy bottom part of it. The sleeves are too frilly, almost like I mentioned before, but I really do love the material and I really do like the V-neck of it. The material is really stretchy and super comfortable, and I really do think I could stay in this all day. Let's check out my favorite right here. You guys, if you do not own this dress, literally, I have the link below. You need to go and buy it because holy shit, this is doing everything for me. It's so slimming and flattering. Although I will say I am cheating a little bit with the Spanx underneath, but I'm not even kidding you. The material makes your body look fabulous, and clearly you can tell I'm feeling myself in this dress, and it's just awesome. The sleeves are super cute. I really do love how there's more room in them and it's not like close knit, but woo!
Okay, so I'm gonna stay in the bodycon dress because I actually really do like it. I'm debating if I need to size up one size just because I have really long arms and like it tends to like come up really a lot, and I'm very self-conscious about that, so I'm probably gonna have to think about that. A couple things I didn't show you guys were the earrings, and I'm going to decide to pass on the earrings just because they are a little heavier and I don't usually wear a lot of earrings, so like my earlobes aren't trained for the heavy stuff, you know, just the little studs. But I did specifically ask for hoops, so totally not their fault they're just a little on the heavier side, so next time I'll definitely ask for a lighter weight. Another couple other things that I didn't really show on camera were the boots. So I like the boots. I just have like really similar ones of these, but I really like these a lot, so I think I'm actually gonna get these because, like, how can you not get them? They're super cute. So that was another thing. And then what was the other thing? Oh, obviously, let's get to the nitty gritties of the good stuff here, guys. The Spanx. Like, what? First off, I got a size medium. Medium seems pretty normal, you know? And I pulled them out of the box and I was like, holy shit, there's no way I'm gonna get that around my butt. Like, there's no way. And then with a lot of like pulling and tugging and stuff, I got them on, and I give them props for whatever the material is of Spanx. Like, they don't rip. They literally don't rip. And I was like pulling and everything. So right now the Spanx are like right under my boob to like the middle of like right here. So like, as you could tell, like, they're amazing. And I did try them on with jeans, and if sometimes they'll like crinkle up at the bottom, like roll up a little. If you just push them down, like, they're totally fine. You literally can't even see them, and they literally make your legs, I'm saying literally so much, but they make your legs and your butt and your waist like I'm not gonna go another day out in public, we'll say that, without wearing these. Like, quarantine 15 does not exist when you put these on and go out into the world. Like, you might have it, but like the world doesn't even know that you've gained a little extra. You know what I'm saying? So these are amazing. And also another thing that I found out, guys, they have a pee hole. How genius is that? Literally, just literally great. So yeah, I highly recommend them. So that is pretty much all I have for this video. Oh, I guess another thing is, so once you review all your items, then you're gonna want to go back into the app. Okay, come on, don't make me do the hand thing. We all know what the hand thing is. Anyways, did the hand thing. So you're gonna want to go back into the app and review everything again. You can either, so the things you can do is you can either do a keep, which obviously you're gonna keep it, an exchange, so you can exchange the size, which is super nice. And then they'll just send you a new one, super nice, and then you just hit return. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you put everything back into the box and pack it all nice, just like they did. You wanna be nice to them, and just ship it on back. A fun thing that you can actually do is you can schedule a pickup. So you don't actually have to like drop it off at the post office. You can, well, it's FedEx, but you don't actually have to drop it off at a location. You can just message them and be like, hey, I'd like to schedule a pickup, and bam, you are good to go. The people will just come and pick it up for you, and then you're off, and then you will be charged for the items that you do keep once it is back with Trunk Club. So let me know. I'm gonna hopefully get this up before I have to ship it back, and I would love to know what your guys' opinions are of everything and what you guys like about it. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, one last thing. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 100, and I'm thinking of doing a giveaway when I hit 100. So it would mean a lot to me if you guys would subscribe to this channel. So, okay, see you next time. Bye.